everybody, welcome back. Monday Phonics today, and we're going to learn a new sound today. Some of you might know this one, but it's really good to recap. But for some of you, this is brand new. Right, magnet eyes, listening ears. Let's see who's ready. Are we ready? I. 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 Fabulous. Let's have a look at our picture. There's our picture. And in the picture, you can see two people and they're flying a kite. And the girl says, fly high. I fly high. I fly high. Fantastic, the kites are flying really high. Can you see? I fly high. Now, this is a really interesting special friend. I wonder if you can tell me why it's quite interesting. How many letters can you see making one sound? There are 3 letters making the sound I. We've got an I, a G, a G, and a H or a H. Those 3 letters together, the special friend, make the sound I. I. So we've got I fly high and I. Are we ready? Let's play our game. I if you see this side. I fly high if you see this side. Are you ready? Let's see where it's going to land. Oh, it's upside down. I fly high. Fantastic, well done. Let's have a listen to Fred and let's see if Fred can give us the sounds and then we can make the word. Are we ready? They're going to have the I sound in them. All-ite, 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 light. Ite, 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 might. Fabulous. Burrite, 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 bright. Fantastic. One more. I, her eye, high, high in the sky. Well done, fantastic. The I sound. Now, at some point today, you can either do it now, so you're going to pause the video in a minute, or you can do it at the end. I want you to practice writing the I sound. Now, it is quite difficult to write because there are 3 sounds. I've got a page with some lines on it. It'd be really useful if you could do the same, okay? Because it's really important to practice writing on a line. So when we do the I sound, okay, we need to sit some of the letters on the line and one of the letters goes underneath the line. I'm going to draw it and I want you to have a look and to see. Now I've got to remember to join the letters because they make one sound. Can you see? The G goes below the line, but it loops and it comes back to make the H. Let's have a go again. I'm leaving a space. I'm trying to sit those letters on the line, but making sure that the G goes below the line and the H is taller. I'll see if I can draw it, write it, so that you can see it. Are you ready? Quite hard to do when I'm watching it upside down, but I've had a good go. Okay. Then, when you've done that, see if you can do the other sounds. The E. And the A. Okay, and then see if you can write those words that Fred just told us. So we had bright and light. Okay, and some other words. See if you can write those words down as well as the sounds. Okay, so you can either do that now or you can do that at the end of the video. Okay, let's move on to our blending, reading our words. So I'm going to start with, oh, Mrs. Miles has forgot a step. Let's see if we can find it in with some of the sounds that we already know. Just making sure that they're all the right way round. Let's hide it in there. Are we ready? Off you go. Give it a wave when you see it. I. Remember, it's not I. It's just I. Hide it one more time. Fantastic. Well done. Give yourselves a fantastic. Brilliant. This time we're going to blend the words, blend the sounds to make the words. I've got some words that have got the I sound in them. Remember, special friend, Fred talk, read the word. I'll start. Special friend, I, Fred talk, fright, read the word. Fright. Okay, so you have a go. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Brilliant. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Light. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Night. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. High. High in the sky. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Bright. It's been really bright recently because there's been lots of sunshine. Bright. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Fright. Fright. Make you jump. Well done. Remember those silly words that we talked about, we looked at last week? Those nonsense words, the words that don't make any sense. I've got some here. I've got a few more here today. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Special friend. Fred talk. Glee. What a load of nonsense. Makes no sense. Silly word. Special friend. Aye, brilliant. Fred talk. Date. What a load of nonsense. Silly word. Special friend. Qu. Fred talk. Quig. That's not a word. What a load of nonsense. That's a silly word, isn't it? Well done. They're nonsense words, but we really do need to have a go at reading them. So well done for trying. Okay, last lot of words this morning. Fred talk. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word when I push it forward. Okay, so special friend. Oh, there is one, Mrs. Miles. Mrs. Miles was tricking you there. Special friend. Fred talk. Ink. Read the word stink. Your turn. Special friend. Fred talk. my foot. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Grin. Didn't push it forward that time. Mrs. Miles needs to get quicker at this and remembering. Special friends, there's 2. Fred talk. Read the word. Think. Have a think. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Brilliant. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Wink. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Brilliant. Well done. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Brilliant. Well done. Right, this time I'm going to hold them to my chest and I'm not going to say anything. So I want you to think of your special friend, Fred talk, and then you can tell me the word when I push it forward. Are you ready? Off you go. Fred in your head. Fred in your head. Well done. If at any point I'm moving them too fast, you can pause the video and then practice reading it until you're ready and then press play when you're ready. Last time, I'm just going to move them slowly back. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to Fred talk, but we need to get more fluent. That means quicker at our reading. Are you ready? Off you go. Well done. Good job, everybody. You tried really hard today. Remember to have a go at writing the sounds and some of the words that have got the sounds in them. Put them on Class Dojo, on your video, on your camera, and then your teachers can have a look. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you Wednesday. Bye-bye.